Hello friends. Today we have a Samsung microwave oven for repair. You can see the full name on the screen now. Let's see how it behaves when I turn it on. When I connect the plug, the microwave oven immediately turns on and starts working, but does not heat. If you open the door, it stops working, and if you close the door again, it starts working without heating the food. It seems I managed to figure out what the problem is. Now I'll try to show you. I plug the wire into the network and it starts working, but if I press the limit switch with a screwdriver, the microwave starts working in normal mode. If you release the limit switch, the microwave oven starts working abnormally again. It turns out that the limit switch is not pressed all the way. You need to solve the problem somehow. Let's look at the pressing mechanism. As I understand it, when closing the door, the tip of the plastic should press on the limit switch, but it seems to have worn out and now cannot reach the button. You need to build up the missing plastic so that the pressing becomes complete. I will now remove the white plastic lever and try to build up the missing part from above. Now I will close the door, and you will see that the button is not pressed at all. As you can see, the red button is not pressed, so the microwave oven does not work correctly. And now I'll show you how it should work. Perhaps I'll press it with a screwdriver. Quite a large distance is not enough to press the button. Let's check it. Because I already fixed it. I connected the wire to the network and now the microwave does not turn on immediately as it did before. Now I will try to show what I did and how I solved the problem. As you can see, I took a metal plate and heated it up and then stuck it into the eraser tip, thereby building up the missing part of the plastic. Now I need to completely assemble it and then check it again. Let's try turning on the microwave again. As you can see, steam has formed on the mug. This means that the microwave is now heating and working normally. The water is warm. That's all, friends, another microwave has been repaired. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and good luck with your repairs. Bye bye.